So Vicky says, "Hi Brent, what are your feelings about being affected by external phenomena such as solar flares, the Schumann resonance, etc.? There sometimes seem to be such strange and difficult energies that so many people feel at the same time. Or is it Kundalini purging globally?" Right, right. So there are definitely some global energetic phenomena that have to do with many different things, including the solar flares coming from the sun, the position of the Earth within the solar system, and the position of our galaxy within the universe, and all of these types of things. And yes, there are some alignments that seem to either invoke certain energies or certain phases of healing and purging and rejuvenation and awakening, and they have an impact on a very large scale, on the macro scale. We see the entire planet going through shifts, and this is why we see so many people going through an awakening at this time on the planet. And it coincides with some of the the, the messaging that was, foretold by ancient civilizations like the Mayans, the Hindu system acknowledged the different ages, and we're experiencing that for ourselves here around the planet. And then, of course, on a more micro level, we experience these things within the individual. So you may quite literally feel that when there's a solar flare, you become tired, you become maybe a little ungrounded, maybe ecstatic, blissful. Maybe you go through some intense transitions within your life, your work, your relationships. And maybe you aren't even aware of what's going on in terms of the planetary solar flare, Schumann resonance type of thing. And later on, you look it up and you say, oh my God, it aligns perfectly with the timing of what I experienced. So yes, there's many factors contributing to the shifts that we're making. Personally, I don't know much about it, but I do see that it's valid. I've experienced some interesting synchronicities around this myself. There's people on YouTube that are kind of like weather people for the Schumann resonance, for example. So every day or regularly, they are like, "Hey, here's the forecast. Here's what we're seeing." And the Schumann resonance has to do with like I don't even know the electromagnetic energies of the planet. I don't even know. But if there's something you're interested in, it's valid. Look it up. It could be another tool for you to make sense of your experience.